Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Nestled in the upscale community of Stony Hill Heights, you will find this amazing split-level, multi-family property, ideal for income generation. Sitting in lush gardens, Lookout Point, at Promontory Ridge, is comprised of 3 self-contained apartments, with unobstructed panoramic views of Kingston City, Portmore and the Caribbean Sea. The first floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, laundry, kitchen, living and dining room. The second floor has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, laundry, kitchen, living and dining room, and the third floor has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, laundry, kitchen, bar, living and dining room. The property is being sold furnished, features a double carport, and multi-vehicle visitors parking with 2 access roads. Minutes away from Manor Park Plaza, and all major amenities, the property is currently being operated as a highly sought-after Airbnb listing. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video, for more details at the end.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles the other way. Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I knew.
The asking price for this property is US $1 million, or Jamaican $153,900,000. To purchase, or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.